Right folks, what's the crack? Welcome to another vlog with the MacMaster and the Persian Princess.
Hi everyone.
Today we're going to check out a beach that, you know, I've been living here 9 years and I've never been to this beach, and everyone's telling me how great the beach is. It's the beach beside Abama Hotel, Abama Beach. The good thing is, just after finding out, just after landing here, there is actual public car parking. So what you need to do is head towards the Abama Hotel, take the exit for the Abama Hotel, and then cross over the main road on a bridge, and you come in and there's car parking there for public car parking. Guys, if you do like the content that we're pushing out, don't forget to like,
subscribe,
and ring that bell for further notifications. Are you looking forward to going to the beach?
Yay!
Look, I'm under orders. I'm not a beach person, but I promised her there yesterday that I would do the beach for the day, and no harm checking out a new beach. So guys, what do we say? Let's do this!
Rainy days don't seem so wet, stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
So guys, once you've parked, you take the walkway on there's a road to the right of the hotel. You keep walking down that way and that brings you down to the beach. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm reckoning if you stay in a hotel, you can use this lift. But I tell you what, even if I'm staying in the hotel, there is no way I'm using that lift. Look at it, look at it, look at this. As Lee would say, you're having a laugh. So guys, I hope you like my Shrek ears. Yeah, so if you're not taking the lift, and apparently there's like a train that brings you down as well, if you're not taking either of them, it's a bit of a mission down on the steps. So if you do struggle with mobility, then maybe this isn't the best way to go down. Not really, it's not really a lift. It's more like a cable car that brings you down. Look. But this is Abama Beach. It's like something out of a James Bond movie when you look down. Really, really beautiful. Looking forward to having a little swim and that in there. And yeah, this is the steps down. Give us a wave, Sahar. There you go. Let's do this. Alright folks, so we took the walk down to Abama Beach. What can I say? What do you think of it?
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
It's absolutely stunning here, guys. If you're coming to Tenerife, definitely worth a visit. Come see this beach. Really, really, really nice. We got a bit of a windy day today, but it's still lovely. The wind's keeping us cool. The water, look at the colour of that water. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely check it out. What I will do, guys, is I'm going to leave a link in the description for where you can go to get the car park and come down here. Really worth a visit, and I'll show you more of the beach in a little while. Nice one, guys. I think I'm not getting, as an Irishman I should be used to this cold, but I'm not used to it anymore. It's not that cold though. So yeah, you enjoying the Sahara?
Yeah, lovely, amazing,
Yeah,
beautiful.
really, really nice beach, huh? Woo! Oh guys, I can't tell you how good this feels. Fresh, nice, cool. Ocean, and a beautiful setting, a beautiful beach. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And then I've got the box. Alright folks, how are we? I've just come across a fellow who watches my channel, living here for how long?
Been here 31 years now.
Wow, this is Chris, and you're the head of the Tenerife, the South Tenerife.
South Tenerife Excursions Club, MacMaster.
Wow.
Going since 92. About 100 odd members.
Wow.
Season ticket holders, all of us. Most expats, but everyone. We have Canarians, Danish, Dutch, German, every nationality. The locals.
Oh,
Irish.
Irish. We're allowed, are we?
Yeah.
I tell you what, I've always wanted to go and see Tenerife play. You know what I mean? I followed football for a long time. I don't follow the Premiership as much as I used to because of the money in that. And I can't keep the same as, yeah.
Especially with after this week's shenanigans. It's just
Super League.
I think a lot of people going back to their local teams now, following grassroots football.
Nice to see though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice to see local lads coming through the ranks, and like Joseph Perez, who's doing well at Leicester now.
Yeah.
I knew him from age 16,
Wow.
Tenerife, and then he's gone up and now great footballer. Yeah.
So will you have me along at the next one where football fans are allowed?
More than welcome. Hopefully August 15th the season starts, and Touchwood will be back.
Fingers crossed.
In the stages, which has been a nightmare. Same for everyone, so what you can't complain to.
So the MacMaster can join you.
Yeah, more than that. You have a great day, I'm sure. Yeah.
What do you think of this beach?
It's great. I live up not too far from here. I only found it last year, and it's a bit of a hidden gem.
It is really.
We don't want too many people finding out about it.
So, don't be telling anyone. Anyone watching this, Jedi mind trick, you've already forgotten about it, yeah? So, nice, thanks a million, Chris.
Okay.
Stay safe and enjoy the beach, my man. Take it easy.
What a day, my heart is full of butterflies. There's no disguising how I feel whenever I'm with you. I've waited till the moment's right to look into those starry eyes and say the words that I'm thinking all the time. Oh, I do, I do, I do, I love you. Oh, I do, I do, I do, I love you.
Okay guys, so at the beach, just beside the beach, you can actually see there is a nice little pool bar. They do food, but unfortunately we're a bit late to grab some food. Really, really nice. And look behind me, look at that view. And there's the boss. There's Ailish, all the way from the west of Ireland. So yeah, nice little pool bar. If you're like looking for a drink by the beach, you won't be stuck. Okay folks, so if you do go to the coffee shop, be prepared. A cup of coffee, and I'm talking about a cortado natural, a little coffee is €5, so just be prepared for that. So if you don't want to spend €5 on a coffee, bring coffee with you. Are you looking forward to this, the walk up, are you?
Oh, can't wait.
Yeah?
How do you think I have this ass?
I'm gonna get a strike for that now, Eilish. You can't say that in the vlog.
No, we don't all just sit around drinking coffee all day like some people, you know.
I won't be drinking coffee all day at €5 coffee. Right, here we go.
Must have been gold at the bottom of the cup, wasn't there?
There were gold cups, I think. Served out with gold cups. Let's keep her lit. Lee, there's not as many stairs here as you did on your vlog, but there's a few, alright. So, it's not 15 stories anyways, that's for sure. Okay, so if you are coming down here, you can actually drive all the way down, but you just can't park down there. So if there's one driver and you want, the rest don't want to walk, you could drive down, drop them down and walk down on your own as an option. Or just get a taxi down, there you go. How easy is that? So yeah, it's the Abama Ritz Hotel here. Very nice. Alright folks, thanks a million for joining us on this vlog. I hope you enjoyed Abama Beach, absolutely beautiful. Well worth a visit if you do come to Tenerife.
Absolutely amazing, beautiful, the color. I mean, I could say the water was a bit fresh, but still I like it.
Fresh?
Yeah.
As in cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. So guys, one thing a lot of people think is this is a private beach because it's attached to the Abama Hotel. It isn't private, you can come down here. There's a public car park, which again I said I will leave a link in the description. So guys, don't forget to like,
subscribe,
ring that bell if you want to see more of our vlogs. And remember, keep it country, and if you get it, take it twice. Or ladies, how would you rate the beach?
Well, not as nice as the beach in Mayo now.
Not as nice as Mayo, no? Lewisburg.
Ski Beach, Lewisburg, County Mayo. If you're ever there, call into me on the way home. I'll make a ham and cheese sandwich. And I'll only charge you €8 for the sandwich. And 6 for the cup of tea.
Did you take your medication this morning?
Oh, loads of it, double dose.